I hope everyone is fine. I am your teacher Abdul Hannan, and today we are going to study about value added or add value or added value. In different books this topic is given with different names: added value, value added, add value. So basically the definition of value added is adding value, the difference between the price of the finished product, service, and the cost of the inputs involved in making it. It is called value added. For example, input minus output equals to value added. Sales minus purchase equals to value added. This is the simple formula. Alright. Keep in your mind that whenever you receive the word added value, it is like someone who is going to produce something on a cost price, and then he is selling that product on a particular selling price. So the difference between the cost price and the selling price is your added value. Again, always remember the difference between the cost price and the selling price is added value. This example will explain that selling price minus cost of materials or components mean all the things. Selling price of your product, raw material, cost of the raw material, whatever the cost you have incurred while making that particular product is called your cost of materials and components. Mean when you bought everything, you are using machinery, you are applying labor, everything will be involved in this. So the final will be the selling price when you are selling that particular product. So the difference between these two is the added value. Okay. Now the concept of added value is primary input. For example, your raw material. You buy a raw material from the supplier. After that you process it. All right. You are processing that in your factory or warehouse or wherever your production plant is. You are applying machinery on that. You are applying labor on that. Your electricity is being used. After that you are selling that product, like you are giving delivery or etc. So all the cost is your process. Everything will be processed. The raw material will be processed. Okay, that is your secondary output. After that you receive the output. Value mean in the form of units you will get that particular product. For example, if you want to make soap, all right, or shampoo, you will buy the ingredients. After that you will mix those ingredients and you will prepare the soap. So at this point you are just buying the chemicals or the raw material, then you are processing it, and at the end you are having the finished form of the soap, the packed soap, which is packed in a packaging, and maybe you have 100 units of your soaps. So net added value equals to sales value of the output minus cost of value of intermediate goods. Means sale value of this output, mean for example this is for $100, minus cost of value intermediate, mean this primary input cost was 50. Okay, $50. So you have got sales value of output $100 minus $50 equal to net value added is $50. All right, this is the concept of added value. Example is given here for your understanding. For a house, selling price of the house is 100,000. Okay, selling price is 100,000. Cost of bricks, cement, woods and other material is 15,000. Okay, equals to value added is 85,000. So total cost on the particular house was 15,000. Okay, and selling price of that particular house is 100,000. It means you added the value, like when you sold that house you have got added value 85,000. I think it's very understandable and easy. Second example is you are talking about a table. Selling price of the table is $100. Cost of wood, screw, metal and other material is $35. So we can easily assume that value added for this particular product is $65. Understand? I hope this is very easy and simple for all of you. There is no like problem in this. If you have any questions, you can still ask me. Now, how to add value? For example, a chocolate manufacturer could use a more appealing or expensive wrapping and charge a higher price. Number 2, a housing developer may opt for very nice upscale gardens to push up the price of the housing state. For example, a jewelry could put up attractive display, creating the luxury feel and or after gift wrapping. Number 4 is an electrical goods manufacturer could add features to their product to increase the price. This is these are the example to show that sometimes we are going to buy the product, but we feel that this product is very small but the price is very high. We can take the example of AirPods. AirPods were just earphones, okay, headphones, but by giving them wireless earphone, they added wireless earphones, okay, AirPods, and they increased the price too much. All right, because at that time no one was producing that is why they earned a lot of money by the strategy. Okay, now every company is producing that, so the price is like everyone is not rushing for the Apple only. People can buy, those who can afford Apple they go for Apple, those who can afford the other one they go for other one. Okay, so by applying these different strategies, by applying these different techniques, you can increase the price of your particular product. How could a business increase added value? Building a brand, a reputation for quality, value, etc., that customers are prepared to pay for you. Nike trainers sells for much more than high tech, even though the production cost per pair are probably pretty similar. All right, so first of all, in order to add the value, you must have a brand image. Okay, you must build your brand image. Like Apple have a brand image, whatever the price they will charge, people will buy because they have good brand image in the market. Delivering excellent services, high quality, attentive personal services can make the difference between achieving a high price or a medium one. So whenever you are providing something extraordinary service or you are excellent in giving services, people trust you and you can charge high price to the particular customers. So they will not feel that they are paying something more for something. Product feature and benefits, for example, additional functionality in different versions of software can enable a software seller to charge high prices. Different models of motor vehicles are designed to achieve the same effect. It means if someone is offering something different, for example, you are buying a mobile phone, another mobile phone in the same price is giving more functions, more applications, it is like more modern, people will prefer to buy that. And after some time, if you are charging another model, a new model, once your name is in the market, you are offering a high price, people will still buy your product because they believe you, they trust you. Offering convenience, customer will often pay a little more for a product that they can have straight away, on which saves them time. For example, today if Apple and Huawei is launching a product, same feature product is there and almost the price is same, product is also same and the price is also same, people will rush towards Apple. Why? Because Apple has more name in the market. Okay, people feel convenience when they buy the product from Apple. Okay, it is more reliable. So you have to build all these things. You should build a brand image, you should give excellent services, you should add features to your product, people should feel convenience when they are buying your product. When once you have all these qualities in your brand, or any brand have any of these this quality, so people can easily pay for the high prices. Okay, because they trust you, they believe in your product. Okay, now benefits of adding value. When you add value, it gives a higher price. To charge a high price, you add value. Create a point of difference with competitors, you add value. Like sometimes it happens you are competing in the market, after that Once you feel that the competition is tough, you produce something new and offer a high price. Protection against competitors offering low prices. So added value is once you feel that other competitors are bringing change in the prices, you also bring change in your prices. That's why you add value to your products. Focuses business on its target market segment. Whenever the business is running, we always focus on the people. For example, there are A class people, B class customers, C class customers, like poor, medium, or rich customers. So we focus on the target market, like which segment we are going to target, and according to that, we add value in the different products. All right. This is all about added value. If you have any question, you guys can ask me. You have my contact number, you have my email. All right. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share with your friends. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video with the new topic. Take care. Bye bye.